Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I will guide you step by step on how to change the subtitle color in the VLC app on your mobile device. This simple adjustment can greatly improve your viewing experience by making subtitles easier to read. Let's start! First, open the VLC app on your mobile device. Next, look at the top left corner, click on Settings. After that, scroll down until you find the Subtitles section. Now, select the Color option. A color palette will appear, so choose the color you prefer for your subtitles. Finally, tap on Select to confirm your choice. Your subtitles will now display in the color you selected. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Changing subtitle color in VLC Mobile is that easy. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tips.